Welcome to the podcast. Every international move begins with a single thought. That moment when the idea shifts from impossible to intriguing. For many Americans, that moment comes when they first see an image of Zaragoza, Spain. It's the thought of walking through century-old plazas that somehow feel alive and modern at the same time. Zaragoza doesn't usually shout for attention. It isn't the city on every travel magazine cover or trending social feed, but it's quiet. It's the kind of quiet that keeps you thinking about it long after you've left. For many Americans considering a move to Spain, the sense of calm and authenticity and balance makes Zaragoza stand out. It's not Madrid, it's not Barcelona, and that's precisely the point. Here, life unfolds at a pace that feels human again. The city is large enough to feel alive, with culture and music and energy, but not so large that it feels overwhelming. Streets are walkable, plazas open naturally into one another, and the rhythm of life has a grounded, steady beat. There's a moment you start to consider it seriously. Once the city moves from curiosity to serious consideration, a new set of questions emerges. How do you move your belongings to an inland city in Spain? What's the housing market like? How long does shipping take? What about customs? What kind of visa do I need? These questions are natural, and answering them early gives your dream structure. Moving to Spain from the US involves careful planning, but it's not mysterious when you have the right guidance. At SDC International Shipping, every relocation starts with one key principle: clarity. We're going to help you understand the full process from the start, from packing and freight coordination to custom paperwork and final delivery in your new home. There's the feeling of anticipation. Every move has a moment of anticipation, that quiet hum of excitement that's mixed with nerves. But what makes moving here unique is that once you arrive, the feeling doesn't fade. The city keeps giving you reasons to fall in love with it. The sound of church bells echoing down narrow streets, the laughter spilling from tapas bars, and the golden light on stone at dusk. It's not a city that tries to impress you all at once. It's a city that invites you to belong. Once you're ready, SDC International Shipping can turn that spark and that dream of possibility into a plan, one that will carry you from current doorstep to your new one, with care, precision, and peace of mind. For more information, visit our website or give us a call, 844-651-7050.